don't forget to seal your lights. Moisture gets in, then it fails. So I got 2 replacement sets. I'll be changing the color scheme on my truck. I'm gonna go with these clear ones. I sealed around it with RTV. Looks like crap, but you can't notice it when it's on. Right here. This will do the trick. Now I gotta rip everything apart again. These 2 gave up. These are still good. So the connectors are the same. It's plug and play. There we go. Pow pow.
The harness.
So these new bulbs are switchbacks. Signal. Amber. And the old ones were just straight up amber.